The Class 28, the only British locomotive that didn't match itself. 6 wheels at one end, 4 at the other. Metropolitan-Vickers built 20 in 1958 and 1959, under the same pilot scheme as the Class 20. The lopsided layout spread the weight of a heavy engine, 5 driven axles instead of 4, and a grip that put other Type 2s to shame. That engine was the problem, a Crossley 2-stroke from marine practice, and it hated railway work. BR gave them the Condor, a crack overnight container train, London to Glasgow in 10 hours, 2 Cobos leading. The engines failed constantly, the exhaust smoked, the vibration was so intense that the wraparound windows were shaken loose at speed. By 1961, 4 years in, the entire class was handed back to the manufacturer. They came back, demoted, banished to Barrow-in-Furness, working local trains on the Cumbrian coast. All were retired in 1968. One survived, by accident, kept as a test unit, then as a carriage heater, while the other 19 faced the cutter's torch. It's at the East Lancashire Railway now, under restoration. Its engine last turned in 1974. If it looks familiar, there's a reason. BoCo, from Thomas and Friends, is a Class 28. Humorously, BoCo was much more successful on Sodor than the class ever was in the real world. At the end of the day, the Class 28s were the wrong shape for our railways, doomed from commission, leaving us with one remaining example. That example is D5705, the last of Britain's only Cobos, now awaiting its restoration at the East Lancashire Railway. Perhaps, in time, we'll hear the sound of a Cobo run on British metals one more time.